Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the dollar is definitely still sitting at this little triple bottom we got going on right here. But just because we're there does not mean that it needs to go up. I mean, the trend is definitely down on all these higher time frames. There's no reason to say that this may not just keep on going down. So, if we get a nice engulfing move to the upside, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs after the engulfing move. Until that happens, I am definitely still looking for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move right here. Definitely looks like almost a perfect 5 waves down. But boy, it is going down pretty hard. It almost looks like it's trying to end another correction. Like this possibly is an A, B, C. Not quite a Fibonacci bounce, but definitely a nice engulfing move to the downside. Like I said, I personally am only looking for shorts via the dollar pairs themselves. I'm looking for three-way pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces for potentially the continuation of this downtrend. Whether this really is the end of a correction or not, we'll have to see. I mean, honestly, it would make more sense if it went up to a fib level first. But if it just keeps on going down, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts every chance we get. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.